Good morning guys. So today I've got a cleaning video for you guys. I'm going to do a spring clean of my whole flat. I've been working all week, which usually means my place has gotten a little bit unclean, I'm gonna be honest. So I've got 2 hours before tennis and I'm just gonna clean the place up, and I know some people like watching videos like this, so that's what we're gonna do. And I'll show you guys the before of kind of what my place is like now, and obviously once I'm done what it looks like. And then I've got the rest of the week off, so, and my sister's coming to stay, so hopefully, they say clean space, clean mind. I don't know what they say, but hopefully that will set me up for the weekend and the week to come. So let me show you guys how bad my place has currently gotten. So my living room area never really gets too messy unless I'm filming haul videos, but I do have like packages and just bits and bobs thrown everywhere. But all in all, it's actually not that bad. But my bedroom area is a whole other situation. That bin needs to be emptied. There's clothes picked up off the floor, like old glass cups from tea that I've made this week. You know, that's literally my dinner last night. I had it in bed, left it there. Just all this needs to be picked up, put away. Probably got to do some laundry. I don't know why I've got Indomie on my floor instead of in the kitchen. My bed sheets need to be changed, more laundry done. There's just so much to do here today, so we will get that done, and then I will clean my studio and my kitchen, but we will be starting in here. But first of all, let's get this open. Hey kitchen. Okay. So I've got a lot to do. I'm going to put you guys down somewhere and just get started. Hey beautiful people, welcome to a new type of video. This is the first time I'm doing a cleaning video on my channel, so I'm trusting you guys to let me know if it's something you enjoy, because I can certainly keep them coming. So I'm starting off in my living space area. If you don't know, my bedroom and my living room are kind of joined together, and I'm just cleaning things up. So I've kind of just chucked, you know, clothes packages everywhere. So I'm putting them away in my mirrored wardrobes. You guys will probably see me cleaning those later on. They can get pretty dirty and grubby because there's no handles on the doors. But oh yeah, that's me cleaning them now. So you do get fingerprint marks all over them, unfortunately, but I still love them because they're not too obtrusive in terms of putting a wardrobe in the living room. Just wiping down my tables, my windows with a wet wipe, and then going over with a duster as well. Mama would be so proud. By the way guys, if you haven't watched a tour of my property, get on my channel. It's like my highlight video, and have a look around. So I'm also drinking a cup of tea. Oh, it looks like I'm done with my living room very quickly. Cup of tea, that's how I usually like to start my morning. I'm just removing bits and bobs that shouldn't be in that room. So I just took some dishes to the kitchen. I'm taking bits and bobs to my studio as well. So makeup, packages, stuff that I need to film later on. Just emptied out my Louis Vuitton bag. So sometimes I find that with changing bags regularly, I'm always constantly moving items, cards, makeup from one bag to another. Yeah, put another bag away there as well. So I usually just chuck things all over the place during the week when I'm quite busy, and then at the weekend when I've got more time, I always tend to start my Saturdays off by doing a bit of a spring clean. But my sister's coming down later this week, so I'm trying to make sure our place is ready for her. Okay, so yeah, just tidying, putting bits away. Who else's place gets really messy during the week? It can't be just me. I wish I was one of those person that always put my clothes away, but I'm not. So yeah, just folding clothes that I've worn so far in the week, my gym clothes, jeans, and then obviously I'll pop them in my wardrobe later on. I love those little storage bits because they're so easy to just chuck stuff into. I don't even usually fold them. It is what it is, don't judge me. Okay, so most of the stuff I'm taking to my studio, but the clothing items I'm popping back into my wardrobe, hanging it all up. But good news, guys, if you don't know, I'm going to be moving into a proper bedroom in a few months' time. So wiping down my mirrors again because I used a wet wipe before and that left some smudges. So I'm now using a dry towel to get rid of all of that, to make sure it's gorgeous. But as I was saying, I'm going to be moving into the double bedroom in my room, and I'll be renovating that and making that into a master bedroom. And yeah, moving my studio into where my bedroom currently is, and then renting that out as a single bedroom. So lots of property changes coming in the next in the next few months. So it's time to do my bed, and I just basically start by chucking all the items off of it, pillows, everything, randomly finding clothes in the bed. And I'll be doing some laundry for my sheets as well, so chucking that away as well and replacing with new sheets. By the way, guys, if you're one of those people that like irons your sheets, I bow down, I salute you, because I'm not about that life. So I wish my sheets were ironed. It would look a lot nicer on my bedding, but yeah, definitely not about that life. So the sheet's been replaced, but I'm going to keep the duvet because I only just laundered that a few days beforehand. And just getting everything nice and neat the way I like it. Oh, looks like I'm working up a sweat. How's everybody's weeks going? Let me know, guys. Do you clean as you go, or do you clean at the weekend or every few days? I'm someone who loves a lot of pillows and cushions, so my bed's always covered with them. Meet my teddies. One is called Money and the other one is called Barry. Okay, time to sweep up now. And my mom, I always hear my mom when I'm cleaning. She's like, did you move the chair? Did you move the microwave? Did you move the bin? If you didn't move all the items, you didn't clean properly. So trying to move as many bits and bobs as I can. Having white wooden floors means they do get messy quite easily. You can see the dirt quite easily. So I'll sweep every few days, but I have to mop as well once every 2 weeks. And that's with me trying to keep it very clean. I still have to mop the wooden floors once every 2 weeks. Sometimes maybe once a week, but ooh, a little song and dance right there. You guys can see the amount of dirt that just rolled up on there. So yeah, I think I'm pretty much done in my bedroom stroke living space area, and I'll be moving to my kitchen next. I guess I'm just tidying up a few bits and bobs now. I like dusting. Oh, I like that little light tree. How cute is that? Okay, so a quick little tour to show you guys the finished product and how neat and tidy everything looks now. A vast improvement on the tour I showed you guys at the start when everything was so untidy. I really love this space, and I'm so excited to see what it looks like when it's back to like a living room space really, and just my studio. So once the bed and everything's out of here, I'm really looking forward to that. And I love having the hatch open that leads into the kitchen. So yeah, exciting stuff coming property wise. Woohoo! Okay, kitchen time. Wow, that's a mess. So I usually do not like to have my dishes, pile up that much, but I guess it was a busy week. So just emptying out the bins. I have a lot of rubbish. God, I don't even know how long that was full for. Don't ask me how long that rice was there for either. Get rid of that. Okay. I don't have a dishwasher, so we wash all the dishes in the property by hand. So that's what I'm just doing now, making sure that all my dishes are washed up. I usually do mine and then my housemate will do hers separately. Sometimes we will do it for each other, but most of the time we just make sure we tidy up after ourselves, which is the best way. And I keep like the washing up liquid and everything under the sink because it just keeps like my countertop and my window looking clean. And I love that like little fake flower vase or fake flowers in the window. It's so cute. Just wiping everything down. I've got a white kitchen, so I'm constantly wiping it down, but it's a really nice kitchen with lots of gold accent pieces. you haven't seen the tour, definitely go watch it because you might be inspired, stuff you can do at your place. So I'm pretty much done, but unfortunately the stuff on the right is my housemates, by the way. I'll put that back in the sink. But unfortunately I forgot to do my pan that's just behind me on the left, so I'm gonna have to come back and do that. But yeah, because I've got quite a small flat, it doesn't take too long to get everything tidy, but I do like to keep my place quite tidy. I'm a bit of a neat freak when I am cleaning. I like everything in its position, but I'm not like OCD, you know, it will get messy during the week. But you know what, I find that cleaning relaxes me. I've usually got music playing in the background, so I have a little jig, a little dance, and I can focus and just get things done. And once my place is nice and tidy, it puts me in a much better headspace. I'm like, right, I've been productive, let's be more productive. So yeah, sweeping up the hallway in the kitchen now. I feel like this is definitely a good workout. I must have burnt some calories doing this. Okay, so that's already done. Small kitchen. Woohoo! So just a quick tour. All the tabletops, the cooking, everything's been wiped down, and just my housemates' dishes that are left in the sink. I like it. I'm happy. Yes. So I decided to stop and have a quick breakfast before I carried on with my studio. So just making some toast to have with another cup of tea. Simples. Oh, I'm having some egg as well. Forgot about that. Some egg and mayonnaise. Simples. Okay, now time to tackle the studio, and this place is usually quite messy most of the time. I've either got packages, PR, you know, makeup everywhere. It does get pretty messy. So it's just a case of trying to put everything away in its rightful place, especially makeup. I'm usually coming and going a lot, so I'm usually packing up my makeup. Ooh, wig. Wig away. Yeah, still got to film that bikini haul, by the way, guys, but the body ain't nowhere near where it needs to be. But yeah, I'm usually packing up makeup into bags, going to London, coming back, unpacking them. It just gets so messy. Okay, so sorting out my table. Slowly but surely it's neating up and getting everything in the right place. That's going to need definitely a wipe down because that looks quite grubby. When you have a glass table and you have lots of makeup all the time, it does gather dirt and dust quite easily. Okay, so who's enjoying this kind of video? Am I talking too much? Do you guys just want to see the clean? Get in there, just wiping everything down now again with a wet wipe. And I think that must be a glass polisher as well. So this room, everything in it will move into where my bed currently is. So it will be like a living room / studio filming space. Okay, so now just dusting down the shelf. This has all my favorite bits and bobs on it, and it's really handy having a bit of storage in here as well to put like hair products, put like just styling equipment as well. Almost done moving my rug about. That always seems to move. Oh, it looks like I've spilled a bit of makeup. I broke a eyeshadow palette on my white carpet, not good. So trying to get rid of that with a cleaner, that's not working, so I've moved to bleach. In the end, you can see we did get most of that out, so I'm happy with that. Okay, so you guys can see the finished product. Everything looks a lot better, but this room will be jigged up and will be rented out soon. Yeah, that looks good. I like my desk, nice and clean. Perfect, that's all done. So I'm going to give you guys a quick tour of the flat now and how it looks once everything's tidy. The only bit I didn't show was my bathroom, but that still needs to be renovated. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe and let me know that you want to see more like it, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Besos.